Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna break down how to actually purchase a stock. So if it's your first time buying a stock, you wanna know exactly what it looks like, a complete walkthrough, how to find the stock, how to hit the button, which one to do, buy to sell, buy to open, sell to open, open to close. I'm gonna break it all down in this video right here, right now. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is the account. And we just got off our elite call and they were talking about a stock called Field Cell. I thought it'd be great for a demonstration to buy it. So let's just pull up the chart real quick. FCEL, nice stocks in uptrends, going for about 26 bucks. It's cheap enough for me to buy. So right down here, you're gonna type in a ticker symbol. The ticker symbol represents the company. So it's Field Cell, FCEL. And then you're gonna hit trade. So I'm gonna hit trade. It's gonna bring me to this page and I want to buy the stock. Now, if I was buying a futures, a call, a put, I'd switch to whatever, but I'm just gonna buy the stock. It's gonna say buy because I wanna own it. So I wanna buy it and it's $26 a share. So if I bought 100 shares, it should be 200 and, did I do that right? No, if I bought 10 shares, it should be 260 bucks. I got like 270 in this account, so that's what we'll do. Now, when it comes to the order type, it's saying, do you want to do a limit? Do you want to do a market order? A market order says whatever the current price is right now, give it to me. I never really do market orders. A limit says it's going for 26.10. I don't want to pay a penny more than 26.10. So if you can get it to me for cheaper than 26.10, great. But I don't want to pay a penny more. So that's my limit. Okay. Because I want to buy 10, it says, do you want to do all or none? So what that simply means is if they can't get me 10, if they can only get me 5, do I still want them to do it or do none of it unless they can get me all 10? So I'm gonna hit all or none because I want 10 or none. And then what do I want to do with the dividends? I want to reinvest them. All right. So go ahead and hit preview. And it's gonna say this order can't be accepted because all non-orders must have a quantity greater than 2 times the securities round lot. I don't know what the problem is. That's why this is turned into a longer video than it needs to be. So let's see here. This is horrible, actually. This is supposed to be a very simple process. Oh, because we have it on all or none. Okay, this is kind of stupid. I don't know why. So we just have to take all or none off. Let's uncheck it. So we unchecked all or none. Now they're gonna allow us to do it. So let's hit preview and then place the order. It's telling me I'll have a new stock buying power of 13 bucks. This order may be executable because the limit price of 26.10 is higher than the last trade or last closing price of 26.04. So basically saying I might be able to get it for less than 26.10. That's fine. So I'm gonna hit place order and boom, I just got filled. How do I know? Well, this told me I got an 11-cent price improvement. So let me hit view order status and voila. I literally just bought, let me draw it out for you. I just bought 10. I had a limit of 26.10. I got filled, which means I actually paid $26.04. And they showed me that I got a better price of about 11 cents difference from what I was willing to pay for it. So there it is. We just bought Field Cell, ladies and gentlemen. We now own it. Now, once you go to your account, what does it look like in your account? If I hit positions, this is what it looks like. We literally just bought a real stock. So we own 10 shares of Field Cell at $26.03. That's it. It's already up. So we're up 33 cents, baby. We're on our way to being rich. So I hope this helped really just take the complication and the confusion out. If you ever get those error messages just like I got, just read them real quick. Make sure you understand what it's asking you. In that case, they had to take all or none off for whatever reason. But it's just that simple. Pick the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to buy. Look how much it costs. Make sure you have that amount in your account. Press buy. Put a limit, which is the max amount of money that you're willing to pay. Send the order to the market. And if there's no complications, you just wait to get filled. That's it. So it works the same with many different brokers. If you want to check out some of our other tutorials with some of our other brokers, check out some of those videos right here on the page or down below in the description. And I'm signing off saying, you never go broke taking a profit. It should have been shorter than that. La, 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 la. So I guess I'm gonna focus on this camera.